Hi, I'm Elizabeth Hours and I'm a Ruby Ambassador with Plexus Worldwide. Do you know how fun it was to just be able to say that? I remember when I first started making videos, I was a Silver Ambassador and I was always introduce myself that way, and I never dreamed that I would actually reach the rank of Ruby, so it was really fun to get to say that today. What I wanted to talk about today was, have you ever seen my series called Plexus from A to Z? I started that video series, as I said, when I was a Silver Ambassador, and it took me over a year to complete it. So I believe I was a Senior Gold Ambassador when I finished. Now the interesting thing is, I recently went back and was watching a few of those videos and just to see really how far I've come since the beginning. It was so hard for me to make those first few videos. I was very uncomfortable videoing myself. I felt awkward, I didn't really want to do it, but I forced myself out of my comfort zone. And one of the things that I've learned with this business is you have to be willing to go out of your comfort zone and just do it scared. You start where you are and you get better as you go along. And that's what this is all about. We earn while we learn. We just start where we are and we get better as we practice things. So I think as I watched some of the later videos, I did a little bit better job than I did in the beginning. Also, I just learned to quit being a perfectionist and just go with it. You have to go with what you get. So anyway, if you haven't seen those, I just encourage you to maybe go back and watch my Plexus from A to Z series. And I want to add on to that today by doing Plexus 1, 2, 3. Can you tell I'm a homeschool mom? So I'm gonna, I think, put all three of those together today and talk about Plexus 1, 2, 3. First of all, number 1, that is for one Plexus. Last year I was able to go to the convention in Phoenix and the theme was one Plexus, one team. That is just a huge part of who this company is. They're the culture of this company, that they're one Plexus. There's not this cutthroat competition between different teams in Plexus. Instead, we have unity and we share information, we share best practices, we share ideas together. Also, it means that we share testimonies, we share Facebook statuses, and we share trainings. So many of the YouTube trainings that I've watched have been from diamonds and jewels that aren't in my direct upline, but there are others that are willing to put their trainings out there and invest in other Plexus ambassadors. So I just encourage you to avail yourself of the training that's available, whether it's your upline or not. And it also means that we encourage people to use the Plexus products or to become an ambassador, even if they aren't going to join our team, become our ambassador or our customer. We want what's best for them and for the company as a whole. So we're just investing in the idea of one Plexus, one team. So I encourage you to just embrace that. I love that about Plexus. And then for the number 2, Brenda Martin told me that what she did, her strategy, was that she was going to contact at least 2 new people about Plexus every day. And even if she was tired at the end of the day and it had been a long day and she wanted to go to bed, she stayed up until she had contacted at least 2 new people. And that was her strategy that got her to diamond in record time and just, made her successful. So I encourage you to consider that as your strategy, possibly, that you'll contact at least 2 new people a day about Plexus. Then 3, number 3, that's a huge one, is the power of 3. And that's something you can watch some other video trainings about that. But that's how you get ahead in Plexus. How you build your team is you look for 3 people to join you, and that's when you go silver. Then you help each one of those 3 find 3 people to join them. And if you just do that, if you try to find 3 new people a month and help those people find 3 new people, you'll be amazed how quickly you will rank up in this company and become a jewel. It's just amazing. Really, the road to diamond is lined with silver. Just going silver month by month, that's the path to diamond. So I encourage you on your journey to remember the 1, 2, 3 of Plexus. We are one Plexus, one team, Try to contact 2 new people a day and share Plexus with them. And remember the power of 3. Look for 3 new ambassadors each month, and then help your ambassadors to each find 3 new ambassadors for their team. And that's the secret to success. Thanks for watching.